Hi all, Elaine here from MRE Studio Designs, and today I want to try another Makume Gane piece. And what I have here are some Sculpey Primo colors. I have the gold, the 18 karat gold, the bright green pearl, sunset pearl. This is a combination of the graphite pearl and some black. See the pearl and the purple pearl. So let's get started and I will be right back. Okay, what I want to do is I want to stack these, and I think I'm going to start with the purple pearl on the bottom, and then the pearl, the sunset pearl, the gold, the green pearl, and the black. We're going to make those all together real good here. And then we're going to start to roll it. First on one side and then on the other. Trying to keep them as even as we can. And once they're rolled out a bit, we're going to cut them in half. And roll them again. Cut this again in half. And this is what we got so far. Square this up a bit. Then we're going to take some of our ball tools and we're going to start making some indentations. I think I want to do it on this side. And you can see I'm overlapping the indentations as I go along. This is an experiment. I haven't done it this way before. So we'll see how this comes out. Then we're going to start to push it all back together again. square it up a bit. Okay, we're going to make sure that's stuck down on our table really well. And then we're going to start taking some pieces off of it. Just like that. And you can decide which side you like better. Okay, that should be enough for now. Let's get a piece of the black. Okay, this is rolled out on a number 3 on my pasta machine. And we're just going to take our pieces and lay them on here in whatever order you feel like doing them, whichever side you prefer. That should be enough. We're going to roll this a bit. And I think we're going to run this through our pasta machine on the thickest setting. And I think we might burnish this a little bit. I don't want it much thinner than this. There we go. Now we're going to make some earrings. Let's see. here. Maybe a couple pairs of these. Just lift this up. Let's get a tile. Just going to clean our edges off a bit. Okay, so here's our earrings, and we're going to put these in the oven now for half an hour at 275, the recommended time and temperature for Sculpey Primo. And when they come back out, we're going to resin them and put some findings on them and see how they come out. So I will be right back. So here are our pieces out of the oven, and we're going to resin them. Then we'll put some holes in it and some findings, and we'll be all done. Just bringing the resin all the way to the edges. So let's just check and make sure we didn't miss any spots. Actually, they look pretty good. We're just going to hit them with our torch, get any bubbles out. And those will go in our UV lamp for 30 minutes. I have an LED UV lamp with a 30-minute timer. And once that's done, then we're going to put some findings on them, and we will be all done. So I will be right back. So here are our completed pieces, resined on both the front and the back with the findings on them. And as you can see, we still have plenty of the Makume Gane left over to make something else. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please like, share, subscribe, leave a comment or a suggestion, and I will see you next time. Thank you.